Hello everyone, I'm Ellen from Are We There Yet, the channel for parents that want to explore the world with their kids. We just spent our week in
Normandy!
We had great fun, check it out. Just like every winter break, we met up with my twin sister and her family for a week. This year we headed to Normandy, and in this video, 5 fun things to do in this beautiful area of France. We settled in our lovely farmhouse and just enjoyed some time to chill after the holidays. Normandy is perfect for walks in the countryside. This area of France is pretty flat, so perfect for tiny and beginning hikers. I think all of us would agree that one of our favorite hikes was when we walked along the Côte in Etretat. Along the shoreline, you can admire cool rock formations like the Makvard or Elephant's Rock. The weather was beautiful that day, and we all felt like we had a day of spring in the middle of winter. We felt adventurous and went for a New Year's winter dive. We were proud we did it, but happy it was over. The water was 7 degrees Celsius, so freezing cold. Also really fun was the walking tour we did in Rouen. The tour took us through old cobblestone streets, to the tower where Joan of Arc was imprisoned, the Great Clock, the gorgeous cathedral, and lots more. If you're traveling with older kids, check out the Historiale de Jeanne d'Arc. It's an awesome interactive museum that you should definitely do if you're in the city. Rouen really is a city fun for all ages. The rest of the week we just chilled in our little house, enjoyed the animals and the beautiful area around it. On other traveling adventures in Normandy, we went to see the Mont Saint Michel. This was something that was always on my to-do list. The kids enjoyed this as well, especially our oldest, who is a huge Harry Potter fan. Mont Saint Michel is as close to Hogwarts as it gets, and she loved this site so much. And finally, you cannot really think about Normandy and skip the remnants of D-Day in the Second World War. And Omaha Beach may be the most famous one. We went there in the summer of 2020. And walking along the shores and seeing the war cemeteries impressed the kids very much. The memorial of Caen helped putting it all more into perspective. It definitely added value to that day trip. We would recommend this to everyone. Okay, I hope you liked this video. If so, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Bye!